Okay, here's a quick video on how to do the front and the rear differential fluid on the 3-liter H6. This is a 2008. I imagine it would be similar for all the 3rd gen models. So for the front here, there is a dipstick, that yellow thing right there. That is the fill, as well as the dipstick. And then below that right side axle is a T70 Torx drain plug. Now what you can do is you can either measure what comes out and then refill with new fluid of that amount into the fill dipstick here, or you can just fill, measure, fill, measure, fill, measure until you reach the desired level. This one you got to lift up the vehicle probably to get under there. That is not the case for the rear. And I'll show you in the back here. For the rear, you can just slide right under here without lifting it up. There is a 10mm hex for the drain, and then up here is a T55 Torx. And of course, before you drain the fluid, you want to make sure that you can loosen up the fill plug for obvious reasons. And then once you drain it and put that back in, you just fill it until it starts coming out of the fill hole, and then put it back in and you're done.